Hey, it's Christmas afternoon. Daddy's home from work finally, and we're going to open presents. Merry Christmas, Nicholas.
Christmas. There you go. What is that?
Here, hold it up for me, hon. Is that Wally? Wally? You got Wally? Yay! You've been wanting Wally, huh?
Wally?
Cool.
Wow.
Yay. Okay. Pick out another present?
Going for the big boy. What is
Daddy,
that?
help him.
Your very own dirt devil.
You can vacuum with Daddy, huh? Daddy, help.
What do we got there? Looks like we have the interactive world map. We'll go to your United States map.
Yeah, your leapfrog tag map. Yeah, world map. Cool. Okay. Grab some more presents, Bubba.
Whoa.
Wow, look at that. What's that, sweetheart? Yeah, look at that. All kinds of construction stuff.
Is that Lala?
Yeah, construction stuff? How fun, huh? Good boy. Good boy.
You know this one? Is this the next one? Yeah.
Wow, Bubba. Look at that, huh?
Did Santa come
Daddy?
through or what? Those look like horses. Huh? Did Santa come through or what? Alright.
Well, here, turn it around. Is that your horses? Cool. There's another one under there.
That looks like a big one.
Yeah, big one. Ooh, look at that.
Looks like someone's going to be doing some construction and some horse farming.
is awesome. Neat. You got your own hat? Wow, hard hat for Bubbies. Good job, hon.
Got it? You sure? Why are you talking? I think I see something in there. Oh. What is this? Oh, a book. Is that Spider-Man?
Spider-Man Leapfrog Tag Book? Cool.
Help?
Okay, we'll help you, Sweet Pie. That's how Daddy help you.
I think you got it. There you go.
I Spy. Yeah, it's really cool. It's your I Spy tag book. I think there's one more. One from Mommy and Daddy?
Well, how did this get back here? Huh.
From Mommy and Daddy, Bubby?
What do you have there? What is that? More horses.
Lots of horses! Wow! You like it, sweetheart?
Did you get horses or what?
Yay! Merry Christmas, sweetheart. Merry Christmas. Mwah!
Merry Christmas. Is it a good Christmas?